Yeah, hi, I'm Yukun Lai. I'm a professor from Cardiff University. Well, that's a pretty challenging question, but what I'm thinking about is if you talk about the near future, there'll be all these, and probably the most important aspect is how these AI technology actually are being used in practice, to make a change. Yeah, so my research is broadly related to AI mostly in terms of sort of visual data aspect, from both trying to understand the visual content to generative AI of producing visual data. Yeah, maybe not one specific thing, but what is important for I notice is a broad areas of topics related to AI and how people sort of debate and think about these how these ideas and how they all sort of affect the both the research and all the and also the practical applications. Yeah, obviously, so that's probably important. That's part of this, and talking to people, and both someone contact me about some of the ideas I'm working on, and also talking to other people and finding interesting ideas and connections there. Yeah, so that's a bit of a downside in terms of lots of these development of AI, which is has high demand for both data and the processing powers. Yeah, I mean there are some strategies we can obviously take, and we should probably consider anyway trying to build these models which are more lightweight, more energy efficient. But also, I think there's also another direction which is trying to sort of reuse the models which are being built, so that we don't actually need to train the models again. So we can try to sort of utilize pre-built models to develop some other applications. Oh, I think that's a sort of similar thing I talked about, right? Yeah, so I think there are lots of practical challenges. I think lots of these are problem specific. So a general model may not actually satisfy all these requirements, and may not may not be actually sort of directly applicable. And so there's I think lots of potential efforts and lots of potential applications trying to develop to make these general models more specific and to satisfy the different requirements. So for example, in lots of areas like medical areas, we want results to be trustworthy and to interpretable, and a lot of these are clearly there's a gap there that can make a change.